In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Happy Xmas or Happy Christmas, or also called War is Over by John Lennon. This song will use 6 chords. I'm going to be teaching it to you in the key it's played in so you can play along with the recording with no capo or anything needed. So the first chord you're going to need is an A major chord. This one, you take your pointer finger, goes on the 2nd fret of the D string, your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret of the G string, and your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret of the B string, and you play the bottom 5 strings. Next chord you're going to need is a B minor. So for this one, you have 2 options. You can either bar the bottom 5 strings on the 2nd fret, or just hold the second, or use your pointer finger to just play the 2nd fret of the high E string. Either one will work. It just depends on which strings you'll actually play. So after that, you'll take your middle finger. It'll go on the 3rd fret of the B string. So your pinky will go on the 4th fret of the G string, and then your ring finger will go on the 4th fret of the D string. Now, if you're barring the bottom 5 strings with your pointer finger, you play the bottom 5 strings. If you're just playing that 2nd fret on the high E string with your pointer finger, you just play the bottom 4 strings. Both are fine, whichever one you prefer to play will work. The next chord you're going to need is an E major. So for this one, you take your middle finger, it'll go on the 1st fret of the G string. Your pinky will go on the 2nd fret of the D string, and then your ring finger will go on the 2nd fret of the A string, and you'll play all 5 strings. Next, you're going to need a D major chord. This one, you take your pointer finger, and go on the 2nd fret of the G string. Your ring finger will go on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger will go on the 2nd fret of the high E string. And you play the bottom 4 strings. Next chord you're going to need is an E minor. This one, you take your pointer finger. Your middle finger. Your middle finger. It'll go on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your ring finger will go on the 2nd fret of the D string, and you'll play the bottom 6 strings, all 6. The last chord you're going to need is a G major chord. This one, you take your pinky, it will go on the 3rd fret of the high E string. Your middle finger will go on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your ring finger will go on the 3rd fret of the low E string, and you'll play all 6 strings. And those are all the chords you're going to need for this song. Next up is a strum pattern. So something to note, this song is not in 4/4. There's only 3 beats per measure. So instead of playing the strum pattern that would accompany for 4 beats, you'd only do 3. So the strum pattern you're going to need is down, down, up, down, up. So 1 and 2 and 3, and then it repeats. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and... So it's like that. Instead of the traditional 4 beats per measure, you'll only have 3. And then with that, if you just follow the chord sheet, you'll be able to play this whole song. I hope you guys enjoy.